Number 29 from Kazakhstan, and they're the voice of the nation.
Almaty, December 1986. Young people stepped into the cold streets, not for glory, but for the right to exist with dignity. They stood against the regime. They faced a tragedy. They raised the voice of a generation that marked the future of our nation forever. Tonight, we do not recreate, we remember.
Ел тосқан түрде келетін мүлде жайдарлы сол жылы бірақ әдеттен жырақ көрінді шынық айбарлы тоңдырды мені тоңдырды сені желтоқсан желі ызғарлы солдырды гүлді оңдырды нұрды көңілде мұңды із қалды. Babalar öler, balalar gelir, analar verer, tırşılık, güldener dala, türlenir kala, budakka jana, bir şıgal.
December 16th, 1991. This is the day we stood as one. This is the day we became independent. A new country is introduced to the world. This is Kazakhstan.
Bravo, thank you. Another wonderful performance from couple number 29 from Kazakhstan, the voice of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we need your voice. It's your turn, it's your applause. All together, make some noise. How are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? How are you feeling? I can hear you. Well.